The concept of if it is not broken, why are you even trying to fix it? I think Tandeka understands that, and this is something that we can all learn from her. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Yesterday, or the day before yesterday, when Tandeka was on live, she talked about not purchasing South African hair because she prefers quality. Let me show you with the clip here.
In a wig sold by someone in South Africa because they are all imported. Yeah. My dispute is not that. I just like quality things. So if South Africa gave me quality, yes, I would.
What I've realized is that most people are saying that she says South African has not quality or whatnot. But we're failing to understand that when you're buying quality and you have your loyal person that you have a loyal relationship with that you share in that thing, it becomes a norm for you to go there. Guys, it's easier for you to have quality over quantity and to actually have your trusted supplier and working with them. Let me just be honest. One thing about South African hair or the hair that is sold by suppliers in South Africa is not quality. Again, whatever fallout, the fallout, is too much. If it's not the fallout, the hair is only the closure part that is 100% human hair. The rest is synthetic hair, but you're paying advertised as natural women hair. So I understand where she's coming from, and the truth is that hair wigs are of high quality, whether like the whatever that you're doing and trending making hair look bad. I mean, you are lying. That hair is quality. It doesn't tangle. It's full. It looks natural actually. And that's what she wants to do, and she wants to keep on doing that. And I love it for her, Sham. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment with your opinion. Do you believe in buying from your trusted supplier who brings quality, or just for the sake of patriotism and doing it with the family, you keep on doing with people that are not actually worth it? Goodbye.